Sugar ants, also known as pavement ants, can be a real nuisance in the kitchen. They come in search of sweet and sugary foods and can quickly take over your countertop and pantry. But don't worry, getting rid of them is easier than you think. Hi, I am Tipu, and in this video I am going to show you some simple and effective solutions to get rid of sugar ants for good. Whether you are dealing with small infestation or a full-blown invasion, these methods will help you take back control of your kitchen. First, let's start with a homemade solution that's cheap and easy to make. All you need is some borax, sugar and water. Mix these ingredients together and make small balls out of mixture. Then place them where you have seen ants in your home. The sugar will attract the ants and borax will kill them. Borax is a naturally occurring mineral that is toxic to ants and other insects. When ingested, it disrupts the digestive system and kills them. Another option is to use commercial ant bait. These are specially designed to attract and kill ants. They are available at most hardware and home improvement stores. Simply place the bait where you've seen ants and wait for them to take the bait. Finally, if you have a more severe infestation, you may need to use an insecticide. But before do, make sure read the label and use it only directly. Spray the ants directly and make sure to follow all safety precautions. With this simple and effective solution, you can get rid of sugar ants for good and take back control of your kitchen. Let these pesky tidal creatures take over your home. Give these methods and try and let us know how it worked for you.